Alright, today we're going to be making cherry pink kettle corn, and we use this product here. It's a gold medal glaze pop, and this one is cherry pink. And we'll add this just like we would sugar in our normal kettle corn popping process. Alright, so we got some kernels popping here. Let's get a couple more going. And then we're going to add our cherry. There we go. Now we'll start to add our cherry. This nice pink cherry it's called. We'll add that in there. Remember, half the amount of the corn you're adding in this glaze pot by Gold Medal. And there we go, it's foaming up, just like all that glaze pot does. And we'll bring it back up to temperature and we'll start popping. Alright, here we go. We're starting to get it popped up. It's starting to get hot again. And it's popping. And this is going to take off shortly. And you can really smell the cherry. It smells really good. Here we go. We got it popping up. Alright, we got our popcorn, pink popcorn going here. Get a few of those last kernels finished up. Nice bright pink. Smells, you can really smell the cherry. Shut off our heat. And we'll dump it out. There it is, a simple pink cherry kettle corn, and here it is all bagged up and ready to go.